Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you what to wear to the beach. The first thing you'll need is a lightweight jumpsuit. And obviously you'll already have your swimsuit on. Add some large sunnies, your beach hat, and a light makeup, if any. Add some easy slip-on shoes, a waterproof bag, and just like that, you have a super stylish outfit for the beach.